Hello everybody, I am Asaduzaman Biswas. In my previous tutorial I was discussing about how to update or edit the database table. I discussed in my previous tutorial about a few things about it, and I like to discuss more about it today. So I shown you how we can get the values of that specific record which I need to update to our edit view, right? Now what I will do, I will make a form here. Action, has to write action, then method. Okay, which method you like to use? You can use here post. Action means after clicking submit button, where we will go, right? So we will go to here, we will go to this controller and this method, right? So you will have to write it here. So we can do one thing, I can copy it, I can copy it, okay, and I can paste it here. Okay, now question is remove this quotation. Now question is, what is this, right? So we will have to write this for each. We will take the values, right? We will take the values from this variable to where to this, right? That means this is now containing the record, and here this ID means the ID of the record, right? So here we will go to this method, so I will copy the name of it and will paste it here, right? That means when we will click on the submit button, then we will go to this method, and we are also sending the ID of the record which we will update to this method, right? Okay, so we started for each, we will have to end it. So what I will write, end for each. Okay, now let us make the text box. We can do one thing. When we insert data, we make the view that is here, create folder, I guess. So I like to open it. I like to open it and like to do copy paste. In that case, I will have to give less effort, or I need not to write that much. So I am trying to open it. Just wait a few seconds. Yes, it opened, right? So let me copy from here. Okay. Okay, let me copy this. Okay, I can take this. We can take this, copy, and then we will paste it here. Okay. Great. And then we can take this link, this strap link, just so that it looks a little bit better. We can take this link, write it. Okay, we need not this right now, so we'll paste it here, right? Okay, then we should write this save container. Okay, we will go to here. You can paste it here. This is the end of the div, and this is the end. So here we will write down one thing more, that is value equal to, this text box will contain which value. Let me do copy paste, then it will be better. Okay, here this, okay, now paste it. Here we like to display the name, right? So I will write here the column name, that is name. Okay, let me check I am getting the name inside the text box or not. So I set it. Now I will go to output and we will refresh. Let it come. Okay, I am getting a message. Why XYZ output? Oh no, we did not define it yet on our web.php file. So I will go to here. Let me do copy. Okay, and I will paste it here. Here I will write down the name of update. It will take ID. This will contain ID, and we will go to this method. So here I will also write update, right? Okay, great. Now let us save. Go to our output. Now give refresh. Okay, working, get. Look, I get the name inside the text box, right? Okay, so then I should check my database. Then I should see the table. Okay, let it come, and now we should pass it. The next, then we can take the next line, right? Okay, so I will do copy from our feed folder. Okay, and I will do paste here for this. Okay, here also I should write this line. So I copy, then paste. This is the end of this div. Okay, great. Now this is email, so I will write down here again value. Okay, so I will copy it from here. I will do copy and will do paste here, right? Now this is not email, this is not name, this is email. Now I will check it again, getting the email inside our text box or not. So let me go to here in this page. I will give a flash. Okay, great, look, I got the email, right? Then what is the next one? Next one is your password. So let us take it, or leave your password. We will not change our password here, so I like to take the next one, contact. Okay, so I will go to here. Okay, fine. Now paste it. Okay, so here I will not write, I will do copy paste, so that I did not write that much. So just do paste here, and here I will write down the name of the column, that is your contact. That is your contact, right? So save, and let us check we got the value in our text box or not. Okay, great, we got the value, right? So if we go to a table and check here XYZ, okay, look. So we name, contact, okay. And now let us suppose we like to change these three fields, okay. And let's do the same way, okay. So what we will do now, we will make a button, okay. Go to here and do copy, okay, then paste it here. Okay, now I will save. Fine. Now go to the output. Yes, we got the button. So if we click here, what is happening? Oh, sorry. If we click here, okay, we are getting this method. Obviously we should, because look, here I used post, but here in web.php I don't get. So this is not fair, right? So I should write here post. And now save it, go to the output, click refresh. Okay, token mismatch. Oh no. Okay, for this we will have to write one line. We will have to write one line here, and which line? Yes, I am showing. To avoid this token error, we will have to write this line, CISRF token. We will have to use it, this method, to avoid this token error, right? So I will save it, and let's go to output, give reverse. Oh no, TLS is showing the same error. Let me come from here. Okay, now click on submit button. Oh great, now you are on this page. Okay, right? Okay, that means we are now in this update method. Means we are now where? We now inside this method. Okay, so now I will do check. What I will check, we got all the values, all the data, all the informations that we sent from this edit date form. Those data we got in this method or not, in this update method or not. We'll check it now. Okay, so today after this I'll discuss more about it in my next tutorial. Feel free to comment me if you like to know anything more, or if you have any questions. Subscribe my channel to join in forthcoming discussions about Laravel. So up to this today, goodbye everybody.